Hey guys, welcome back. Let me get rid of this headlamp. Or just put it up. I thought I'd get my camera and come back, give you guys a little bit of commentary on my video clip for tonight. I'm working on the truck's exhaust. It's 98, I think, Tacoma, Tundra, no, Toyota Tacoma. I'm getting tired out here. Anyway, it's cold in the dickens. It's about 16 degrees, and I have my, there you go, I've got my door open. And I was working on the exhaust today. Let's flip this guy around. And it's not going to let me do that. Let me see if there's something I can do. Nope. Well, it's not going to let me. I'll just come over here like so. And there it is. This is ridiculous. This is, yeah, I don't know how to change this. This is annoying, as you can well imagine. Let's see if I can fix this. This is stupid and annoying. Alright, well, I'm just gonna stop and then flip it around and get back to you. Alrighty, now we're flipped around. Now I can turn my headlight on. So, here's, what you're gonna see, excuse me, I got the sniffles. What you're gonna see in the video where the truck stacks on the back. So this is the old flange that I cut off the, I don't know, probably the original factory exhaust. And then here's the O2 bung. I have never seen one like it before, ever. Not even on the YouTubes. So we got, I don't know, it's been hard to see. Oh, there we go, 4-prong. And this will go somewhere in here and here. Oopsie. This one's not ceramic, so I'm not so much scared of letting it fall. And that guy goes right there. I gotta fix the angle a little bit. That wasn't intentionally so. So, yeah, I got pretty heavy pipe here. And I made all of this pie cuts, and since this inlet's over on this side and this one's over here on this side, so this thing here is supposed to fix that problem. And I wish it was a glass pack, but it's not. It's a thrush that was in the truck when I got it. Somebody put a brand new piece in and then fixed it in with some exhaust clamps and exhaust pipe pieces. So, well, I wanted it to be fully welded because the way it was, it smelled of fumes in the cab. So all this is airtight, or it's supposed to be airtight. Back and under the frame and up to the where the big fat stack is. And I'll show you guys right now. Oh, here it is. It's an old truck stack I found in one of the barns, and the kid said I could go ahead and have it. Oh, that's split. What I did is set the pipe on a sheet of steel, welded it, cut around with the plasma, and then tried to tried to smooth it off, and then I cut the middle out and put these 2 tabs here so I'd have something to clamp the stack on with. And then this scabby area is a rusty place on the stack. I don't know. Probably, I don't know, came off a truck of some kind. So I was gonna scuff it and paint it silver, make it look nice. So over here in this area is where the stack comes up. So tomorrow I should be getting a load of steel to build a steel flatbed. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm broke right now, is I'm gonna build a flatbed now and then build a headache rack later. And what I plan to do is, seeing as the flatbed's a few inches out from the cab corner, I'll probably just cut a hole in right here and then run my exhaust up through. And maybe I'll just bolt the stack to the flatbed. We'll see how that works out. And that's probably all the exhaust stuff for today. What I'm going to have to do is at least get the stack bolted in. So let's see what you can see. Oh, my head. Oh, there it is. Oh, I tried to smooth off some of the. But there's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Just messing around with that. Hopefully it's quiet, because in the clip that you'll see following this, that thing is loud. It is way illegally loud. Here's some of the piping that was. This is the piping from the. Ouch. Try not to get cut. There's where my previous exhaust ended, and then I cut it off and added the muffler section. There's the old 2 bung. Yeah, it's kind of mangy exhaust. Imagine it's about as old as the truck is. And that ended. Here's some more pieces of it. Exhaust clamps and knickknacks. That exhaust ended about just behind the door somewhere. So it was chooching all the exhaust up underneath the cab. So if it did smell funny, it did have its reason. So with further ado, I'm gonna try and play this clip for you. I hope you enjoy it, and we will keep you updated. Supposedly Friday we're gonna go bring the 6-liter home, and if I can film on the way back, I will. If I manage to be part and party to it. So we will see you guys later. I hope you enjoy this, and sorry for the long rant.